So my hair is done. Now I'm gonna change and I'll be ready to go. Well, I need to eat breakfast as well, so I'll change and then eat some breakfast. I'm dressed. I'm wearing these shoes with these little socks. This is kind of a little bit shorter than I'd like it to be, especially for church. It keeps like riding up. So I'm just gonna be wearing this jacket over it the entire time. And then I'll take it off once I'm out of church. Just out of respect for Jesus, you know. This one's just, it's Chloe. I think this is the original one. Okay guys, I'm gonna eat a quick breakfast and then I will be on my way to church. See y'all soon. I am at church now. I didn't get a chance to eat breakfast, but I did grab these little edamame beans and an orange. So I'm gonna eat this while I wait for Miriam. She said she was running a little bit late, so I'm just gonna wait for her to walk in with her. And I'm gonna finish eating my snacks. So good. Whoa, this orange is very juicy. And I can't believe how you love me. All right, so church has ended and Sister Miriam and I came to surprise, surprise, Fun 95. Yeah, so I brought my own lime today because literally every single time that I ask for lime here, they give me a wedge. What am I gonna do with this? Y'all, I asked for a knife to cut this lime. They gave me a butter knife. Oh no, it has some juice.
This means like, it looks really good, but
yeah,
it's missing a little flavor.
Burn after writing?
Yeah, it's like, you know, you have different activities on each page.
Oh.
5 things I love to hate. There's more than 5. I'm just kidding.
This Southern cookbook, I feel like that's something you would get.
Oh yeah. Just how it looks.
Yeah. Let's see what's in here. Oh, dang, this looks good.
So this one I said reminds me of Jennifer, and it really does, because look at that frog, it's so happy. So this is a first, and then Ikigai, I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know how to pronounce it, but
this is one, and then this is actually for book club this month.
yeah, this is a book that we're reading for the month of March. It's called Small Things Like These. Mm-hmm. We're gonna see how it is.
Mm-hmm. It does taste like that. It's gonna be too like syrupy, like yeah, so did I, but it's pretty sweet.
We're done with book club now. I'm with Sandra. We're gonna go to River Legacy now for a little walk. Daniela is waiting for us there, so we'll see her. And also Miriam is gonna go with us, but yeah, we're gonna go to River Legacy now, and we'll see you guys there.
I have a lot of travel vlogs.
That was actually one of my 2024 You just have to get used to just talking.
Hey, alright, Miss Neil, I'm gonna lock in today. I'm gonna lock in.
Alright. That's my mentality though. After my birthday, for real, I'm done. Y'all keep me accountable.
I wish with all my heart to fly with dragons. Yeah, I just asked her for some. So we're on our way to the planetarium now. I brought my sisters to my alma mater. We're at UTA right now because that's where the planetarium